There are a lot of telemedicine visits going on. Is that pretty much how most doctors' offices are operating at this point?
It is. It's been several weeks now since doctors' offices have been closed, and so I think really dating back to sort of mid-March, end of March, GPs were just saying, please, for the safety of the people in the facilities, it would be much better if you contacted us by phone. And so a lot of that engagement now is taking place by phone, by whatever the video model that patients and GPs have, then that's working very effectively thus far. If there is a silver lining to any of this, it is that we are seeing that there are new ways for doctors and patients to interact without the need of having people to walk into a hospital or a GP's office or whatever, which is good for everybody.
What are your thoughts on our local companies?
Well, I think it's it's early days to know exactly what the impact will be, but I think intuitively, as you say, we've had businesses closed for several weeks now, some impacted more than others. So the hospitality industry, the retailers, those people are hurting and were stressed before all this happened. So I think it really comes down to how long will this go on for, how severe will the impacts be. We're fielding a lot of questions at BF&M at the moment for employers who are saying, I've got a certain benefit package for my staff for medical coverage. Are there other options that may be more affordable for us as we go through these coming weeks and months ahead? This is our time of need for a lot of our customers as they try to understand what their options are. So for example, somebody who might have paid their motor premium once a year, maybe now they can start to pay it monthly or quarterly, so it makes it easier for them financially to be able to retain their coverage. For employers, it's important that when they deduct medical premiums from their employees' pay, that they forward these premiums onto the health insurer, because it's critically important that this coverage is retained. So basically, we're looking at it as a group by group, a person by person sort of method, but we're doing everything we possibly can to ensure that that there's peace of mind to the extent there can be during this very difficult period for our customers. Our company, like many others, do business continuity testing every year, and I don't think anybody really expected it to be on the scale that it is, but all our 150 people are working remotely and pretty effectively. Bermuda has had to endure a number of critical situations over many, many years, over centuries. And I think, we're all behind the Premier to join forces together and we'll all get through this.